In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ln in Excel. We will walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how this function behaves. First, click the cell where you want the answer. This can be any empty cell in your worksheet, for example, cell A1 or B2. Once you click, you will see a green outline around that cell, and the cell reference appears in the name box above the grid. That outline means Excel is ready to accept what you type and will place the result there. If you accidentally click the wrong cell, just click the correct one before you start typing, so the answer goes in the place you actually need. Next, type the formula. For example, type equal ln open bracket 10 close bracket. On screen, you will see it appear in the cell and also in the formula bar just above the column letters. The equal sign tells Excel you are entering a formula rather than plain text. ln is the Excel function that calculates the natural logarithm, which uses the base e that is about 2.718. The number 10 between the brackets is the value whose natural log you want. A useful detail is that ln only works with positive numbers, so if you type 0 or a negative number, Excel will return an error instead of a number. While you are typing, Excel may show a tooltip under the cell with the function name and its argument, which helps confirm you spelled ln correctly. Take a moment to check that you have the equal sign, the letters L and N, the brackets, and the number 10 with no extra spaces that could cause a mistake. Now press Enter on your keyboard to complete the formula. As soon as you do that, Excel stops editing mode and calculates the result of ln of 10 in that cell. You will see a decimal number appear, approximately 2.3026, depending on your cell formatting. That is the natural logarithm of 10. The cell now shows the result, while the formula bar still shows equal ln open bracket 10 close bracket, so you can always see the formula behind the number. If you click back into the cell and press F2 or double-click, you will see the formula ready to edit, so you can replace 10 with another positive number whenever you want a different natural log. This calculation updates instantly every time you change the input, so you never need to recalculate by hand. You have now learned how to click a cell, type an ln formula, and get the natural logarithm result in Excel. If this helped you get ln working, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Excel tips.